Can you see how loose the harmonic balancer is? It's playing in the reflection. I'm bouncing it back and forth. That's how loose it is. It's ready to spin off and blow itself up, cause undue damage. How's that for loose? And also you can see it's torn. The rubber, it's loose, and it's squeaky when you start the car up, and it won't let it rev. I've just removed the centre bolt using the same method. There's the tear in the rubber and the harmonica. So I'm just taking a bit of video to memorize exactly what the serpentine belt system on the LS1 Commodore Pontiac looks like. As in my other video, this is the Harmonic Balancer removal tool of choice that you want to get for your Commodores and for any damn LS1 at all. So I'll put it on and show you what it looks like. Here it is set up, and if you can see inside there, the claws are gripping on the back of that strong piece of metal in between each of the spokes. So that's what you got to do. The bottom ones are the tough ones to do, but in a car this is pretty simple. You don't have to break your back. So you set it up and unscrew, and out it will pop. I'm going to use a rattle gun just to speed it up so you can see what it looks like coming out. And out it popped. There it is. Even a 200 Newton meter rattle gun will do it, and she's out.